Joshua, can you tell me what's the first step?
You have to simplify the x squared minus 25.
What do you mean by simplify? You mean factor?
Yes, factor it out.
Okay. Can you tell me how you factor this? The first part then?
Yes, it'll be x minus 5 and then x plus 5.
Yeah.
Right, so that's a difference of square. Very good. X minus 5, x plus 5. All right. Sunit, can you tell me how do you factor this part here?
The bottom part, I got x minus 3 times x plus 3.
Okay, so for x to the power of 2, you select x. You said x minus 3x plus 3. Is that what you said, Sunny?
X minus 3, x plus 1.
Right, that's 1. So that would be 1 and 3. That's right. And then in order to get a minus 2x here, we have to have minus 3 and plus 1 here. That's correct. Now, Sunit, what do we have to do for this division?
You have to change it into multiplications, but you will reverse the second part.
Very good. So you keep the first fraction as is, and then you change the division to multiplication, and then you flip this over, just like that. And then we continue factoring this. So, okay, Sunit, why don't you continue? Tell me what do we get for factoring these two, the top. Let's start with this one.
For that one, I choose 10 and 2. So I get x minus 10 times x plus 2.
That's correct. So x and x would be for x squared. For 20, you're picking 2 and 10. So you can get negative 8 out of that if 10 is minus and 2 is plus. Okay, continue, Sunit, with the last part. How do you factor this part?
That part, I choose 5 and 2 for the 10. So I get x minus 10 times x plus 2.
Okay, you mean you pick 2 and 5, and then you want to get negative out of negative 3 out of that right here. So you would pick minus 5 plus 2. And the next step would be to reduce, and looks like I can reduce x minus 5 with x minus 5, that turns to 1. X plus 2 and x plus 2 turns to 1. Doesn't look like I can reduce anything else. So this whole thing would be equal to x plus 5 times x minus 10 at the top of the fraction, and then at the bottom of the fraction you would have x plus 1 times x minus 3. That's how you simplify this.